down by the creek. Getting pretty tall back here, so get the brush hog eating. We're approaching 50 hours, so I'm gonna have to do my first service soon, and I'll do a 50-hour review. Yesterday, our Homestead Implements Pinnacle Series 55-inch grapple came in. Everything looks good on it so far. It works awesome. I had a huge pile right here, and I was getting too tired of dragging it, so bought the grapple, moved it over to the other pile, and this winter will burn it. But so far this thing is super handy, works well. I'm not worried about longevity. It seems like it's quality well built. It's got 2 hydraulic cylinders, and it sits in my Kioti CK2610 SE. Right now I'm running a big tool rack on the back just for ballast. I also have my brush cutter. Behind that is my stump bucket, and then right there is my material bucket that came with it. All in all, really happy with the attachments I have and the tractor. Tractor has been great. No problems. I'm coming up on my 50-hour service soon, so we'll see how that goes. I shall keep you posted. I'm moving the brush pile. This is where we're gonna burn it next winter. I don't have a wood chipper, so pile it up high and burn it in the winter. And man, this Homestead grapple, I love it so far. It's awesome. Beats drag and brush any day. Annie and I are out spraying poison ivy, and the black flies are biting like crazy, so I'm all protected. Annie's driving the tractor, and then I'm sitting on the big tool rack, tailgate, and spraying the weeds. Gnats are bad.
So I'm in the tractor driving, and there's Luke out the window there. It's like poison ivy's taking over, man. So we're trying to at least kill off some of it.
Yeah, maybe a third of the trail done. Ran out of water again, so we're just gonna call it quits for tonight. It's 8 o'clock, so I think it's time for some relaxation and drink some water.
them, and they're cleaning up some of this dead stuff under the power lines here. They left their cones, so I assume they're coming back, but we gotta get this crap out of the way. We did tell them they could leave it for firewood for us, but I thought, you know, maybe they'd make it a little tidier for us. Anyway, Luke's trying to grab some of it with much difficulty. He's got a whole nother tree stuck to him. Yeah, thanks a lot, tree guys. There he's getting it. Kinda had to bulldoze it. Stuff really gets stuck in there. Kinda looks like a dinosaur. The gnats are terrible. Oh, can you see them swarming all around my head? Yeah, they're awful. Ugh. It was definitely the smart idea to get a tractor with an enclosed cab.
Just made a cheap and easy spray rig to go into my big tool rack. Nothing fancy about it.
But it gets the job done.
That's right.
We got a hell of a bug problem here.
Yeah, we're gonna spray for insects. And figure if I want to change an angle for a more upward spray, I can lift the entire tailgate with some bungee straps. It'll spray more upward for bugs. If she doesn't find you handsome, at least she finds you handy. So it's 8:30 p.m. All the pollinators should be in bed. I'm spraying for mosquitoes, ticks, and hopefully black flies, because they are horrible right now. So we'll see. I'll report on the effectiveness of this first spray. It's the first time I've done it, and we live right above a river, and on the other side we have a creek, so there's no and a slough, a wetland area in between, so no shortage of bugs around here.